So that brings us to today's Sandbox challenge, and the good news is you should have plenty of time to work on this today. The Sandbox challenge can be found in our course in Canvas in Module 2. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and we're going to look at S2. And S2 has some code, and it has some things for you to try out. And this is sort of a process of learning, but I want to show you what we're dealing with today so you have kind of an idea. What we're dealing with today is a module in Python called Turtle Graphics. And to use Turtle Graphics, I need to import the Turtle module. We'll talk about modules and importing and all of that. You'll understand what this is later. Right now, this is just monkey see, monkey do stuff. We're just going, I'm going to tell you what code to write. You just write it and have a little faith that it works the way I say it's going to. So all of these things, we're creating a turtle. And if we want to draw a circle on the screen with the turtle, with a radius of 100, then I say mycircle.turtle100. This code at the bottom, all it does is keep the screen open after the turtle finishes. Let me show you what I'm talking about so you have an idea. So there is my turtle. There is my circle. And you can use this all sorts of fun ways. You can draw some really cool things, and we will get into some drawing some cooler things. But basically, if I don't have this part of the code, I'm going to comment that out so it ignores it. If I don't have that, notice that when it finishes drawing the circle, it just ends and goes away. Well, we don't want that. We want to be able to see our beautiful artwork. But there are a number of commands that you can issue to the turtle. And as you walk through this assignment, it'll instruct you on what each piece of the code means, how to change it, and that sort of thing. It'll give you some different turtle commands. I highly encourage you to try copying and pasting those. It'll save you some time. There's not really a value in typing myturtle.forward 800 times. Unless you really like to. I'm not going to stop you. But copying and pasting here is fine. But this will walk you through all kinds of different turtle activities. And finally, it will walk you into the use of a variable to control the scale of your turtle drawings. As with all sandboxes, I encourage you to play around. I encourage you to try things out. Tinkering is part of the learning process. And at the end of the sandbox, you will take a screenshot and share your work. And you'll quickly see, like, some people are really keeping it simple, and some people really like to go and discover things. And that's totally fine. Like I said, these sandbox challenges will frequently use the turtle graphics as a way of exploring variables and data and functions and all kinds of things in Python. So have some fun, spend some time with that. At the end, you take a screenshot, post it to the forum, and all of that is pretty straightforward. If you have trouble with that process, let me know. But you're basically going to just hit reply right here, this blue button, and you can post a screenshot that way, okay? So that's it for today as far as the lecture goes. Feel free to hang out and work. You've got about 40 minutes. Class ends at 11.